Hey guys, it's Qxeen.Jordyn, and today I'm going to do a video on how to maintain curly hair. So we're going to go from this to moisturized to dry, clumped, and gorgeous curls. So if you want to figure out how I do that, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so to begin, first take a spray bottle with water and spray your hair. Make sure you get all the strands and work it in. Next, take any conditioner you own, but I have this Suave conditioner, and get about 2/4 size amount and definitely rub it on the ends first and then work it up the hair shaft. If you come in contact with any knots, if you run into any tangles at the bottom of the hair, just take the knot and pull from the end and it should basically undo itself. So next I take a paddle brush and I start from the ends and work my way up. The way you tilt the brush will also clump the curls, so watch how you brush the hair. Also make sure to start from the ends and work your way up. That will help you prevent hair loss or shedding. Now it's time to do the same thing to the other side. So take your spray bottle, wet the hair, and then take some conditioner and distribute that throughout the hair, or the hair section, and then detangle with a paddle brush. And sometimes you'll get hairs that get caught inside the paddle brush because the way that the paddle brush is made. But if you just unravel that, the hair should be fine. And if you have more tangles, don't be afraid to slow down and make sure to detangle the hair without losing any hair. And this video is sped up, so yeah, that is how I moisturize the hair. Next, I will be taking some mousse. This is some Garnier Fructis mousse, and I will be applying that onto the top of my hair where the closure is to flatten out the top, and then I'll add a little bit underneath to where my edges and my volume swoop will be. And after that, these are the curls that you'll be left with, and then when you let them dry, they will turn into clumped, voluminous curls. The details for this hair will be down below in the description box. Thank you for getting to the end of the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!